Okay, so I thought I'd film it being connected up. So there might be some of you that are interested in that. So we'll start with the little 12 volt bus that I made. So that's the supply in, and we're going to do the speakers will go next. Of course I made these so they were all polarized, because like the last thing we want to do is blow stuff up, forgetting the way things are wired up in 12 months time. This is just heat shrink tubing that I will end up cable tying off. I don't want to shrink it just in case I need to do maintenance and need to open it up. So I think in actual fact I probably should have put that in before I put that second speaker in, which is okay because the speaker is held in using Velcro. So it just comes out. It's good Velcro. It's tough enough that it's not going to fall. The speakers are not going to fall off by themselves, but not so tough that you can't take them out when needed. Alright, so if we stick that there, speakers back in about there, you can kind of hear it clicking. Alright, so that is that in there. Next is the S video. So let's get this video. Again, all looms remain untouched. I've made up special ends, special cable plugs to match so that this thing could be reverted back to its regular CRT self in no time. Okay, so this video is there. And we've got audio. So audio is going to go into audio in on this loom. It's going to go out. And of course I marked them all because I knew I'd forget which one's which. So okay, audio in, sweet. Audio out goes to here again. Little weird modded cables. So we've got audio in, audio out, video, and power. I'll tidy those up in a moment. And that is pretty much going to be it. So I'm going to just pop them down probably here. And that is that. So have a look. We have our controller board, wires running about as neatly as you'll ever see a wiring job from me anyway. I've tried to use the clips, the original clips where possible, to keep things where they should be. I fixed that ROM select wire that came off the Jiffy DOS. Both speakers are in firmly, and we've got all of our connections connected to the controller panel and LCD in place. Testing time.